Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode, I will show you and I will also explain you why the error code P2015 appears on these Volkswagen cars and how to fix it. In this episode, I'm working on this Volkswagen car. I have to clean the EGR valve, the intake valve and also the intake manifold. And finding myself here, I decided to show you the common problem with these Volkswagen cars, and in special with the diesel ones. The error code P2015 appears when the valves inside the intake manifold were out beyond the normal limit. So those are my valves from this intake, and as you all can see, normally they should stay straight into the intake manifold, but as you all can see, they go a little forward. So they opened a little more than they should. Now they are straight, and when I let go the valves, they go a little more, they open a little more. So this is why the error code appears on these Volkswagen cars. And to fix it, normally you have two ways to fix it. The first way and the proper way to fix it is to replace the entire manifold with a new one, and if you replace it, this problem will be gone forever and it will be fixed permanently. So as you all can see, they should stay like this, but when I let go, they go a little forward. This problem is on most of the Volkswagen cars. If you have this problem, if you have the error code P2015, it's meaning that your valves from inside the intake manifold are worn out and they have to be replaced. To replace the intake manifold, in some cases, depends on what car you drive, can be very expensive because those parts are not so cheap. Okay, moving forward, the method number 2 is to install a reparation kit, a restoration kit, something like that, which you can find on almost any site. You just have to search for your car and the kit, the repair kit will be there, because Volkswagen knew that they have a problem, and I don't know who, but they made a way cheaper to fix it temporarily. So this method, the method number 2, which I'm talking about, it's very cheap, but it will not fix the problem permanently. On this car, I already cleaned the intake manifold, as you all can see, and I installed this method. I installed the reparation kit, the repair kit, and this is the bracket which is stopping the valves from not opening too much. So this is what they are doing. You have to install this kit and it will open the valve only how much they should open. As you all can see, the valves now stay opened perfectly, stay straight, and this is how normally they should stay. So this is what you have to do. Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.